Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to this academic platform. We are starting here a lecture series of medical biology course in which we will study about the viruses and viral diseases such as COVID-19, dengue virus, AIDS, bird flu, Congo virus, rabies and other viral diseases. This series of lectures is very beneficial for all of the students belong to biological as well as medical science. So this is the first lecture which focuses on the brief introduction to viruses. Virology. What is virology? Virology simply can be defined as it is a branch of biological science which deals with the study of viruses. Medical biology. Medical biology focuses on study and control of diseases caused by viruses. What is the virus? How can we define the term virus? The term virus has been derived from the Latin word venom, which means poison. Viruses are non-cellular, ultramicroscopic particles composed of protein and nucleic acid. Viruses can grow and multiply only in living cells. Major components of a virus. What is the composition of the virus? Virus is composed of a nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, capsid and envelope. Some of the viruses such as coronaviruses also have spikes, and these spikes are the protein projections and help viruses to penetrate the host cells to cause infection. Nature of viruses. According to nature point of view, the viruses are divided into two groups: animate or living objects, inanimate or non-living objects. Why viruses are called as living? Because they can multiply and make their copies when they are found within a host cell. Inanimate objects, why they are called as non-living? Because they have an ability to be crystallized. Characteristics of the viruses. So here are few characteristics of the viruses. Viruses are living as well as non-living. They are crystallizable. Viruses are non-cellular. They are filterable. Viruses are obligate intracellular parasites. Infectious agents. They are ultramicroscopic, and the viruses are either DNA or RNA virus. Differentiation between the viruses and bacteria. How can we differentiate viruses and bacteria? The viruses, they are either DNA or RNA, while bacteria contain both RNA as well as DNA. Viruses are known as living as well as non-living. Bacteria, they are living. Viruses are non-cellular, they don't have any cell, while bacteria, they have a cell and they are called as unicellular. Viruses, they have an ability to be crystallized. Bacteria cannot be crystallized. Viruses are ultra microscopic. They can be visualized with the help of the electron microscope. Bacteria, they are microscopic. They can be visualized with the help of the simple as well as compound microscope. Viruses, they don't have any metabolism of their own. Bacteria have a metabolism of their own. History of the viruses. Discovery of the viruses. The first discovered virus was tobacco mosaic virus, a plant virus which was discovered by the Russian scientist Ivanovsky. At that time, tobacco mosaic virus was considered as a fluid because even after filtration, the filtrate caused the infection when it was injected into the healthy plants. So based on the above facts, a Dutch soil microbiologist Beijing named it as a Contagium vivum fluidum. Later on, animal virus was discovered by Frederick Loeffler and Paul Frost from the foot and mouth disease of the virus. Finally, a bacterial virus, that's commonly called as a bacteriophage, was discovered by the two scientists F. Duart and Felix de Hell. Multiplication cycles of a virus. Viruses replicate through two processes such as lytic cycle and lysogenic cycle. Some viruses reproduce using both methods. So if we talk about the lysogenic cycle, in lysogenic cycle there is an integration of a viral DNA into host DNA. In this condition, cell division occurs normally. Means the relationship of a host and a virus will be called as a host and guest relationship. However, sometimes occasionally infections occur and this cycle may be converted into lytic cycle. In lytic cycle, viral DNA replicates separately using the host cell machinery, and this type of relationship is known as a master and slave relationship. Major viral diseases. Here are some examples of some viral diseases caused by viruses such as coronavirus disease, Congo virus, dengue fever and dengue hemorrhagic fever, Zika virus, AIDS and hepatitis.